have officially cleaned up from the post-holiday blizzard. That huge blast of winter weather led to a busy week for the Kent County Road Commission. News 8's Megan Munchman checked in to see how its budget and salt supply are doing.
West Michigan has seen 5 record daily snowfall totals so far this year, and we're only about a third of our way through winter, which means salt canyons and domes here at the Kent County Road Commission, well, they're quickly emptying out.
We've had significant events over the past couple weekends, so we went through a fair amount. Overall, about almost 12,000 tons of salt so far this winter.
3 larger than average winter storms have already made a big impact on the Kent County Road Commission's salt and supply budget. Typically, how many tons of salt do we go through within West Michigan?
Typically about 35,000 for the year, so roughly a third.
But Jerry Byrne with the county says despite the heavier snowfall, the salt and budget supply are on pace for typical years.
Bigger storms are cheaper than multiple storms of 1-2 inches at a time because the trucks have to go out no matter what.
So while it might seem like the snow in late December blizzard could bring a chill to our county's budgets, as of now, West Michigan is in good shape for the rest of the season.
January, February could hit us hard. We could have a little different story, but right now we're not concerned about it because when I look at averages, about where we need to be.
Now the good news is that this is not their entire salt supply. There's plenty of salt and sand still on the lakeshore just in case we have an above average winter season. In Grand Rapids, I'm Megan Bunchman, News 8.